Alright, so we're just going to try to fly this smooth and nice. Well, not nice, but smoother, a little slower, and no wrecks would be nice. That was an ugly turn, however I did that. And then I'm still sucking at using both control sticks at the same time and manipulating the throttle correctly. And my lines aren't great. I need to work on that probably this next week, because better lines, smoother flying. But not crashing would be nice. Ugh. Fly like a drunk old lady. No offense to any old ladies that are flying better than me. I crash on that turn a lot, let me tell you. It's just like a change of pace or something, and I don't know what it does, but it kicks my butt. Should have sped up through there. And that line is just awful. I gotta fix that whole corner. And this thing is so fast, I wish I was better at using the throttle. I mean, it's really got the power. Oh, here's that corner I crash on all the time. I don't get it. Why do I crash on that corner so much?